biệt bằng ai mi tên thình thét sa nói bằng hay bộ lu in lại đi tâm lâu hay bộ cần nằm mi tên thình thét sa nói bằng hay bộ hi lại đi tâm lâu hay bộ cần nằm mi tên.
Hello guys, hello Manipur people, Northeast people. So welcome back again. And today they suggested for us guys Manipur video guys. We usually react to Meghalaya, Shillong, Kasi people guys. And today is gonna be our second time reacting to Manipur people. There is one song here by Little Girl guys, and this song is so inspiring, especially to people of Manipur due to the problem which is going on guys. So the song title is called Igam Hilou Ham, covered by Moi Itnem guys. So actually there is problem going in Manipur between two tribes, Kuki tribe and Meitei tribe guys. So there's so much going on, but we can wish you guys all the best and may you all come into solution guys. So this is Gabs Gabi from South Sudan guys, and this is
Muhammad Hago from Sudan.
yeah, this is Hajo, you can call him Hajo guys, from Sudan. Together let's check it and we'll make sure to watch till the end guys, because we know a lot about, we are from Africa and we know so much about Manipur and whatever is going on. So we'll give you our idea at the end guys. We'll speak at the end of the video. For now, let's watch the video. Don't forget guys, subscribe, because we mostly react to Northeast people, so Manipur is definitely Northeast. So all the best and let's go. Igam, Hilo, Singa. This is the cover. Original music by someone called Itnem. But she's signing.
Khaya cần lắm đi để hầu khe vốn bằng chan cho thuộc hồn ta huy tê bởi vâng nhìn nắng không ta huy tê email mà sụt lại bằng đủ cùng tay tê ý cầm hello hâm đi cùng nào cầm hi ý đừng hô dừng không biết bằng ai mi tê thình thét sa nói bằng hay bộ lu in lại đi tâm lâu hay bộ cần nằm mi tê thình thét sa nói bằng hay bộ hi lại đi tâm lâu hay bộ cần nằm mi tê.
No one can see that.
Số lắm buồn lung lắm mau cần nằm mi tê quay mà khi chân thấy đỉnh hiểm vô về xin tuê bằng sáng chứ con tao tê tu ni hiểm y cầm ít năm tao tê y cầm hello hâm đi buồn nào cầm hi y đỉnh khô dưng khó biết bằng ai mi tê thình thét sa nói bằng ngày.
So let's stop here. So this little girl, she's because due to the problem which is going between the Kuki tribe and Meitei tribe. So these two tribes, they are from Manipur only, but they are having tribal fight. They are fighting because of religion problem and political problem. So what she's saying here, we are all from the same place.
Same place.
Why are we fighting? And some people from the same land also, they are now like foreigners. Like this is not good. This is what she's trying.
Good.
Yeah, and just imagine this little girl giving this message, which is so touching, guys. This is really so touching, and it's not fair. Like to see someone, like let's say you are from Sudan, but you are not getting you're not getting the full freedom of your country.
Yes.
That is really bad, right?
Yes.
khát thì cũng khát tình số liên mà san ki te to bang chai ki the to dil dil tao te tu ri nang lo li chu cây lo hi song hi lo hầm châu hôm tao trên nông hôm tao te ít cân lâu hầm mi bù nấu cầm hi ít khó xin khó bệt bờ mi te tình te sa nấu bang ngày bồ lu in lại đi tâm lâu hay một căn năm mi te tình te sa nấu bang ngày bồ li lại lại đi tâm lâu hay một căn năm mi te tình te sa nấu bang ngày bồ li lại lại đi tâm lâu hay một căn năm mi te
Okay, guys. So that was it. This was really great message, guys. I just feel so good listening to such music, and at the same time, I feel also so bad for the people of Manipur because it has been 1 year and something. This fight is going on up to now, and they didn't come to any solution. And in this song, I think this girl said everything, guys. It is really injustice. It's really injustice. Injustice. Like it's really unfair. No one will accept this. Even me, like I'm from my country. If I'm not getting the justice or the freedom, then it is really it's not good, right?
It's not good for you,
It's
yeah.
really so bad for the people.
Yeah.
Like I don't like speaking about politics, but really this is unfair. Let's just think of humanity, guys. What is happening in Manipur? Like a lot of people lost their life,
Yeah.
and the fight is still going on. Like there is no solution.
Yes.
So, guys, like this is really so sad. And what you can say something about the song? This girl, she's a small girl. She was
Yes,
singing this song,
yes.
right?
Her sound is very
Yeah,
very
she
nice.
sounds so good.
Yeah.
It's really
And-
so emotional.
Yeah, and she
The message.
she
the-
gave
she gave very good
sent
message.
she sent very important advice to people from Manipur.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
I
is
guess
this
it's
is very
very
important.
important,
This is
yeah.
very important message, guys.
Yeah.
Like if you people really want to make Manipur into a good place, you should not separate. You should unite. I don't know how many tribes in Manipur, but this I don't see it that big deal. But they can still come into solution, like especially if the government, like if government is too serious about this, I think they can really solve that, guys. I think India is very good country by now. It's
Yeah.
developing. Like we are seeing a lot of achievement now. I don't think a small issue like that, like tribal problem, they cannot solve it. This is really, I don't think so, guys. If they really want to solve this, they can really make it.
Yes, they can do
They
it.
can really do it, guys. And we are just wishing all the best to people of Manipur.
Yeah.
You can say it is enough, guys. A lot of people lost their place, lost their life, lost their family and their loved one. And up to now, they didn't come into solution, guys. This is really so bad. My advice to the kuki and the meiteis and the all people of Manipur, guys, you have to settle down. It's not the first time. Even like me and him, I'm from South Sudan. We are from Africa, right? I'm from South Sudan, and he's from Sudan.
Sudan, yeah.
So we were all one country. They call it Sudan, but we separated, guys, because of same problem which is happening in Manipur, political and religious problem. So from Sudan, most of the people there, 90% they are Muslim. So I am from South Sudan. So also South Sudan, 90% they are Christian. So I'm Christian and he's Muslim. So before we were one country, but a lot of problem which is happening in Manipur also same. It was
Same,
happening
yeah.
in my country, Sudan. So people lost their life also. People were not getting justice. But we also came into separation, guys, because it was a big country. So we separated Sudan and South Sudan. But we are still now, up to now, after the separation, guys, we're still like same country. We're still staying together, and there is no fight. There is no fight which is happening again because like I wish that people of Manipur they will come just into this solution, like the justice that they want, guys. So this is all we can say. Love from Africa. Don't forget, guys, we'll be reacting more and more. We have a lot. I got like 6 to 7 videos suggested to me from Manipur. So this is the second video, guys. I'll be reacting to all these videos. Don't forget, subscribe, guys. Put on the bell so that you will get the other reaction video. And yeah, we are also reacting to Meghalaya, Shillong people, guys. If you are watching, also pray to Manipur people to come into the solution and better place. Love from Africa. Till next time.